I will talk about how can you add or change your gender on your iQIYI app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account and security here. Click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on your name account here. So then you come to this list, click here on gender. So then here can you add your change your gender. I'm going to add it male. Then you go above save, click on it. So then it's going to save with us like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.